What's up, this is Vincanity, and today I'm hanging out with bboy Intact, all the way from the Ukraine, here at SF State. And today he's gonna be teaching you guys a little footwork combo.
Yeah, thanks bro. Yeah, right now we're in San Francisco, and I'm ready to share with you a little bit of knowledge that I have for the period of my dancing, 13 years. As he said, it will be a small footwork combo, pretty easy. If you got some basics, you're gonna get it. So get ready, get warm. Okay guys, so the combination that we're gonna do today consists of really simple basic steps. So before doing this combo, you need to know what is kick out and what is twist. So first I will show you these small parts. After I will show you slowly how the whole combination look. And also we're gonna play with the changing of the directions. That's really important in the dancing. So first of all, the basic CCs that everybody has to know, right? Kick out, boom. If you got it, you can continue with the twist. Just don't forget that when you do footwork, you always need to be concentrated on the shape of your moves and on the way how you keep your position. So your legs and hips on the same line. And I recommend you to use your fingers or put the hand like this. It will help you to look lighter, like easier, and everything that you're gonna do will be really smooth. Okay, so kick out, twist, and one really important thing that you need to learn right now is the go down that came from Mr. Wiggles. I'll show you like this. You start with the knee, boom, other side, boom. Okay, so once you get this, we're gonna try the whole combo slowly. So we start with the kick out, twist, kick, back. Okay, one more time. Kick out, twist, kick out, back. Other side. We start with the left, kick out, boom, twist, kick out, back. Okay? So once you know how to do it both directions, to the left and to the right, we can try to combine it into one combination. So I'll show you how it's gonna look. We start with the right, kick out, twist, kick out, kick out, twist, kick out, kick out, twist, kick out, twist, bam! Okay, my friends, what you need to remember from this tutorial is that everything that we do in the b-boy is based on the really small things, like small details. For me, that's actually what creates our dancing. I'm one of those b-boys who pay attention to small things in what I'm doing. So I practice a lot, really small details that maybe some people, I mean, you know, those people who are not involved into the culture will not see at first, but the real dancers, real b-boys, big girls, they will feel what I'm talking about, and they will see the small details. Don't be only about the big moves. Pay attention to small details. That's what will make your story of dancing really interesting for the people. So once you're gonna be ready with this, with the basic moves that I showed you at the beginning, like kick outs, twists, and you can do them both ways. Try to follow the next steps, like doing combination to one side and another. When you know how to do it one side and another, try to mix it to the one picture. And what I recommend you is just don't be in rush. You know, like take your time. This bboy Intact representing Roughneck Attack crew coming from Ukraine, Kyiv City. Guys, thanks for watching my tutorial. I wish you good luck, do what you like to do, go deeper into the culture, and support the correct gems. Don't support fake. Peace.